Hello. Today, we will talk about how to attract and convert your target audience using social media marketing strategies. 1. Understanding your audience. You should start with a good understanding of your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and interests? 2. Choose the right platforms. Identify the social media platforms that your target audience mainly uses. You don't have to be on all platforms. 3. Accurate targeting. Use targeting settings to reach the ideal audience. You can target by age, gender, location, and interests. C4. Create engaging content. Create content that responds to the needs and interests of your audience. Make it valuable and fun. 5. Interact and listen. Interact with your followers. Respond to their comments and questions. Listen to their opinion and benefit from. Don't forget to follow us and subscribe to the channel.